come drive with me. My name is Randy on my way to Nelspruit on a Christmas day. Yeah, you know that we've been having a rainy Christmas. The roads were super wet and slippery, but we're like, you know what? Let's just go to Nelspruit and see what we can do when we get there. Yeah, we drove. This is Waterval Boven, the tunnel on your way to Nelspruit, and you will see how beautiful are the mountains in Nelspruit. Yeah, we were booked at the Capital Hotel. As you can see that our porter was helping us to check in. Yeah, we just checked in. This is the beautiful hotel room that we booked for our 5 days in Nelspruit. This is our beautiful bed, the TV, our mini table. I can't leave behind my champagne. Yeah, this is me on the mirror on the wall. Yeah, this is the beautiful patio for two and the beautiful view from our hotel room. And then later we're like, let's just have dinner. And then I started with my cocktail, my all-time favorite, Long Island. Yeah, this is us. And then this is the next day. My friend Dini, she lives in Nelspruit now, was like, friend, I want to see you. We haven't been seeing each other for a long time now. She came, we catch out, we had fun, we had our cocktails and wine. Yeah, everything was okay. This is the view in the evening. And then, yeah, I went back to the hotel room. I was like, hell no. Nah, I like champagne. It was like, this is the next day. This is the 26th though. I was having my champagne. I was opening my bottle. Yeah, there's no Randy without her favorite champagne. But yeah, Nelspruit has been so beautiful. Then after a few classes, when I'm happy, now I dance. Now I dance. Angizirobi, I don't robber myself. Yeah, this is me. Then that's how the second day went. Then this is me on the third day. The day having breakfast. Yeah, everything was okay. Then this is the fourth day. We're like, you know what? Let's go out and see what we can do in Nelspruit. But even though I did not capture everything that we did there, but this is the bit and pieces of what we have done in Nelspruit. Then this is me. I was like, let me just rock my white favorite two-piece and my sandals, my favorite sandals. Then yeah, this is me in Nelspruit. We're like, let's just go out and have fun. Then this is how beautiful is the capital in Mbombela. If you want to book, just contact me. I'll assist you.